In this video, we are going to see how you can troubleshoot your SQL queries. So the best thing is to have an environment when you can easily test your query without running your database. So ideally, you should have a copy of your original database in order to perform your request. Then, of course, it's better to have already an understanding of the Matomo's database. So typically, this documentation is going to be useful to give you some example. And then after, you can use as well ChatGPT. And the other thing that you can do, like you can activate, in fact, the log of all the reports, all the features that you are using in Matomo in order to see how the database is getting called to, let's say, get somehow the perfect request. So in this video, we are going to see how to troubleshoot it with ChatGPT. We see it's kind of straightforward. So basically, the idea is like you get an idea of the data that you would like to see. So for example, here, that's for the number of visits or the number of unique visitors. Then you ask directly to ChatGPT, so which SQL query should I type to get the number of visits on my Matomo website for this site for year 2025. So at this step, you never know if this query is good or not. In fact, sometimes it's not even good, or it's another way to get the information, but it's working. So after you just copy this out, and then you just go, for example, in PHP myadmin, you just need to go in SQL, you just type it in over here, and you see if it match. And if it match successfully, so here 13, of course, you have an assumption that is correct, so you can save it and put it as a favorite somewhere so that you won't forget it. And so the same thing over here. So this one is for the number of visitors, and then you can perform it over here as well. And as you can see, this is matching. So for those, I have been lucky that it was working. In some cases, of course, it's going to require a lot of time and energy on your side. Imagine, for example, that you would like to filter out those report or add a segment or whatever. But just to let you know, Matomo's documentation is not going to support all the use case. They have, let's say, the most famous one. But for the additional one, that will be about full creativity. And to get full creativity, that's going to be some trial, test and error in order to get it working.